Today I'm making crispy, flavorful Korean vegetable pancakes. These savory pancakes are light, crunchy, and packed with fresh veggies. Comes together in no time. If you love crunchy textures and savory flavors, this recipe is for you. The best part, they are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So, are you ready to make it? Let's get started. First, let's prep our veggies. Thinly slice the carrots. Slice onions. Cut spring onions into 1-inch pieces. Slice green chilies. Slice potato. Slice cabbages. You can use any vegetables of your choice here. Once everything is sliced, set them aside. Next, we'll make the batter. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and salt to taste. Whisk everything together. Now slowly add the water to make a smooth and semi-thick batter. Once the batter is ready, add the sliced potatoes, spring onions, mushrooms, onions, carrots, and cabbages. Fold in all the vegetables. Make sure that everything is evenly coated in the batter. The best part, they are loaded with veggies, easy to make and perfect for a quick snack or a meal. You can use any vegetables you have on hand, making it a great way to add more veggies in your diet without sacrificing the taste. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Scoop a generous amount of batter and spread it thinly and evenly to get a crispy texture. Cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Then carefully flip the pancake and cook it on the other side for another few minutes until it's nicely crunchy and crispy. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Once all the pancakes are cooked, slice them into small squares or bite-sized pieces. Korean vegetable pancakes are ready. Serve them hot and crispy along with a delicious soy sauce dip. Trust me, you're going to love every bite. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious and easy recipes. Enjoy! See you next time!